Hi guys, today we have a really exciting house to show you. This house is a little bit out there in terms of distance from Dallas, so keep watching to see how much you can get for your money out here. Hi guys, we have a really exciting one to show you today. So we are a little bit out there and we're 35 minutes away from Dallas today, so that is a little bit of a sacrifice. We are in the, I guess like, cusp of Allen, Murphy, Parker. It's about 5 minutes away from East Plano, so it's not too far out there if you want to be close to the action. Let's see how much you can get for your money out here. We are looking at a little over 8,000 square foot house on 6 acres for a little over $2 million. This is a custom home, so let's see how awesome it is inside. Look how awesome this front patio is. It just keeps going and going and going. Wow, look at this double door entryway. Such tall ceilings. This is probably the most impressive part as you walk in is the great room or grand room, I guess. Look at those ceilings, they are remarkable. I can't even like get every angle of this room. It's so crazy. Also, look at this island. Like, why would you even need a dining room table at this point? You can probably seat 10 people at this thing. Check it out from this angle. That fridge is like something else. Okay, now we can head in like one of 5 directions. So come on over with me to the office. Check it out in here. And what's cool is there's like a little mini library situation going on in this office for some added book storage for you book lovers. And then off the great room, there's this little side bedroom here. Although, let's be honest, nothing in this house is really little. So the ceilings are pretty tall in here too, and there is a pretty sizable closet if we want to peek inside. There's also a full bath that is accessible from the great room too. Nothing small here either. Okay, now we're gonna head over to the master finally, which is what I know you've been dying to see and what I've been dying to see. Okay, what I really love about this master is that there is a little pocket door in here that kind of separates the living room off of the master, so whatever's going on here is not gonna disturb whoever's sleeping in there, which is great. So there's kind of 2 ways that you could go. I'm gonna go this way because this room looks like it's way bigger. Wow, like nothing to just like snuff off. This is a pretty serious sized master bedroom. Am I right? And there's like one of 2 places that you could put a huge bed, either here or you could put a big California king size bed right here. And you'd be looking right at the fireplace and the TV that's on the mantle. And then if you're looking from this view, there are awesome doors that head out to the patio, which we'll get to later. Let's not forget the master bath. Check out all that counter space. Hi. Dang. Anyone would love that vanity. Look at this big soaker tub. That's pretty awesome. There's a cool privacy window above it and an awesome mantle with a TV. And then you can see through the fireplace into the master, which is a cool touch. Now let's check out the shower. Yep, I'm going inside. Nice bench, nice shower head with a little hand shower thing and a rain shower on the other side too. And super tall ceilings and a privacy window. That is pretty awesome. It is large in there. Here's the powder room. Here's closet number 1. Pretty huge. Oh my God, look how high it goes. Holy crap. I don't know how you would ever get up there. That's about as high as I can reach, and I'm pretty tall. That is excessively high. But I did find this stick right here. Like those ones in the store where you can use them to grab the clothes at the highest rack. So that should work well for this closet. But I think that even I would have a hard time filling both of these closets. Back out to the great room. It's so beautiful. I just like can't even stop looking at it. But we're going to hang a right here and head over to some of these other bedrooms. Okay, so we just hung a right from the great room. There is another pocket door that separates these 3 bedrooms and their little like office or homework area. So it's really nice for privacy. Here is the office / homework area. There's like 2 desk spaces for people to like do their homework, or that you could just use as a second office. And then there are 3 bedrooms here that each all have their ensuite bathroom. So let's look at the first one. This one seems small, like in comparison to the rest of the house, but again, nothing in this house is small. And there's no Jack and Jill situation here. No one has to share a bathroom in this house or a closet. All of the closets are walk-in too. So let's cross over the little office area, and then the other 2 bedrooms are on this end. They're all pretty similar. The only thing is the ensuite bathrooms for the bedrooms on this end are a little bit nicer. But none of these bathrooms are outdated or old because this house was just built in 2016. Again, like I was saying, since this house is so new, there's spray foam insulation. It's really cool in here and it's like 100 degrees outside. Another really updated bathroom. Okay, back out to the great room, and speaking of the fact that this house is super new, there are 71 solar panels on the roof, so there are a lot of added perks. This wall of windows is also pretty incredible to walk by every day. All right, we're gonna head back past this enormous fridge and check out the little butler's pantry situation here and utility. There's a big fridge in the utility room too. Check out this sink. Honestly, how many cats could you wash in there? Space for big washer dryer. Lots of storage space on top, which is awesome. And check it out. If you've got dogs, there is an awesome dog wash here. Over here is the exit to the patio, which we will go out to a little bit later. But first, I really wanted to show you guys the pantry. Kind of ridiculous, but like kind of in an awesome way. All right, so we're just gonna head over to the last part of the house that we haven't gone to yet. So we're gonna cut across the kitchen here and go to the back left corner. There is another pocket door situation, so they love to have their privacy, which is great because I love that too. There are actually 2 little mud rooms that are inside the closet here. This one's a little bit more serious than the last one. It's kind of great that you can close them off like a closet, because then if you put your like boots or like muddy stuff in here or raincoats, you can just kind of close it off and forget the mess. Here is the 3-car garage, but across the way over this way, there's another 2-car garage as well. So I know that to the left of the garage here, you can see that there's a stairwell. So we're just gonna go up that really quick before we check out the last bonus room. It is getting a little bit warmer as we come up here. Okay, this is huge. This kind of looks to be like a storage space because the ceilings are pretty low, but I mean, this could make a cool playroom for kids. The ceilings are kind of low though, so you'd have to stay in the middle if you wanted to stand up all the way, depending on how tall you are. Okay, so now we've come down the stairs and we're really gonna head back into this bonus room here. I'm really excited to see this part. There is a little half bath powder room over here. Here's a little like wine cellar thing. A little bar area. And then we come onto this massive game room with a little eat-in booth and media room with different tiers for seating. Look at that projector situation, that looks awesome. And then we come to the back of this, cut across the game room, and there's a home gym. Damn. Look at all the mirrors in here. Yay! Wow, it's not that small in here. All right, now we're outside. The covered patio part is huge. It is so, so big. And there's like a little living room fireplace area with the TV even over here. And check that out. You can even put food out from the kitchen right there. And there's a grill over here with a fridge and a smoker, I think. Pretty incredible. And then check that out, the main feature. This is a sweet pool. It's really, really hot today, so I really want to get in. So peaceful. Here's the pergola area. And then there's a little fence around here, and then that beyond is the rest of the 6 acres. Whew, it's a hot day. I really want to jump in that pool. All right, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Comment below what you liked about it, what you didn't like, if you thought it was too far from Dallas, or if you think it's perfect and peaceful for you. If you're interested in viewing this property or any other ones that I feature on my channel, just email me or DM me on my Instagram. All right, thanks guys, bye.